Look at this deal, it's amazing!
Hello my dear friends, welcome back, and today we're trading with MACD indicator. There's gonna be a lot of deals, minimum theory, maximum practice. This video is gonna be really interesting and we'll try to make deposits several times bigger. So if you've always wanted to learn how to make money on this indicator, this video is for you. And let's move to managing it. Okay, first we go to the left upper panel indicators, click MACD, and today we're trading with basic inputs. The market is pretty good, so we don't have to extra manage it. We only turn off histogram in styles. In total, we have two lines, sometimes being intersected, and our intersections are our signals. In history, we can see that when the green line crosses the red one from bottom to top, in this place an upward motion is proceeding and we can trade with higher, and when vice versa, the red line crosses the green one from bottom to top, like in this place, then the chart moves down. So here we can see several examples after which a clear and predictable motion is started. So we're waiting for any intersection and get started. So guys, let's open the first deal with lower here, as there's an intersection of green and red lines hardly seen. Actually, if the intersection is more clear, then it's better for us. The volatility is really small on this chart, so the lines are moving close to each other, really close. But still, the lines intersected, and it means that really soon a downtrend awaits for us and we open a deal with lower. So worked out greatly, and here we see twisted tops, so I opened my first deal with no problem, as a decrease was supposed to happen. We're trading boldly today with higher risks, with half of deposit as a bet amount, but our goal today is making the regional balance several times bigger, so we increase the risks to fasten the process. Guys, the main thing for beginners is to find the appropriate chart. So we need a chart with no clear up or down trend and it's constantly changing. If we see some kind of unclear sideways motion like this one and a huge amount of intersections, then we understand that this zone of the chart is not good for work and the trend is changing really open within it. I mean, not really trend, but sideways motion, which direction we cannot predict. But when we clearly see some motion, okay, for example, like this downward one or upward one which was started not long time ago, looking at this intersection, we can open a deal for sure. Guys, it's really important not to be in a hurry because the market provides us a lot of opportunities and we only have to choose the right ones, which will bring us the result with a higher percent probability. The deals are a fun one because it was close to the same spot we opened it on, so we opened another one with higher. So the closure is not bad. Actually, it was luck for us as the deal had enough time to be closed in the direction we needed it to. And let's keep this currency pair because it seems there will be no uptrend, only the same motion as the sideways one, and we do not trade on sideways motion because the indicator gives us a lot of fake low quality signals. So here we see another intersection. The green line intersects the red one from bottom to top, so I suppose we can open a deal with higher. There is a small correction and it may be the foundation of the deal. And it's much safer to enter a deal on a correction following the trend than on the growing candle or falling one. If you know a particular kind of patterns like the upside down hammer or doji candle or any other candle pattern, then be sure to apply them on this indicator. Enter a deal only as soon as the full-bodied candle is formed, as the combination of candle patterns and indicator can provide you a great result. So the third deal is a profit too, and the chart keeps its upward motion after this intersection and we make the maximum possible bet amount and keep trading. So guys, small hack for those who's not sure whether they should not open a deal or not. I always watch the last few intersections on the chart, and if they are resultative, we open a deal. If they are questionable, then we skip that chart. And here we see downward motion, see that the lines of this indicator are really close to each other, and it tells us the trend is still being continued. And here's a doji candle with the tail pointed up is being formed, and it's a really good signal to open a deal with lower. Yes, there were no intersections, and indicator in this deal only helps us showing the strength of the trend. But anyway, I use it in my analysis, so we open a deal. Okay, another fun deal, so we open another one with lower. The indicator's lines are really close to each other, so we're just observing. So I'll summarize a little. There was no intersection here, but when the lines are moving in parallels to each other, it means that the trend is strong enough, and we just need to find a signal, a reason, in other words, to enter a trend. The trend was a downward one, the deal was lower, and it's closed brilliantly. So here I suggest to open two deals with higher. On the previous deal example, we analyzed our chart, see intersections, and let's start with that. The green line intersects the red one here, and we see some small short-term uptrend. So in the moment we couldn't open a deal. Here vice versa, the red line crosses the green one, and this signal is more confident. So now, we can open a deal too, as the green line intersected the red one. Fine, here's the intersection, it's partly seen. Moreover, there's a support zone, and we can mark it like that quickly. So it's all clear, let's wait for the result. So the deals are closed very good, $1,000 each. Our profits becoming huge, so let's find the final super confident deal, super confident case on which we can earn even more. Well guys, let's open two deals with lower here. We see a clear downtrend being started with engulfing, and we also see an intersection of our MACD indicator. See that the previous time this intersection brought us a profit, and this candle was closed as green, and it means that right now a downtrend must be continued mostly. Oh guys, it was pretty risky, but you see yourself, what a brilliant result we've got today. Oh my god. I hope you've made sure that the strategy with a MACD indicator really works and brings us good results. And let's withdraw the whole profit for today, $6,800. The result is amazing. I decided to make a little gift for you and make a bot that's gonna sell you signals on this indicator or any other indicators that I'm working with. So you don't need to watch the chart all the time because you get a notification the moment you need to open a deal. Just follow the link in my pinned comment to my Telegram channel and earn together with me. So that's it. See you soon guys. Bye bye.